brand new GMC Denali in the house, getting some wheels mounted up on there. Got the old tires off, taking the sensors out of them and putting them in the new wheels. Some 26-inch Corleone forged wheels. Things a little dirty, but still gonna look good once we get these wheels mounted up on there. Big GMC grill. Here's the wheels right here. It's a little bright out, so it's a brush face with black accents. 26-inch Corleone forged. Got a 3-inch lip in the front, stagger setup, 5-inch lip in the back. Guys are airing up the tires right now. Get a better picture of it just like that. Mounting up the tires, just about done. Got 2 wheels down. He's working on third one. Got 1 more to go. And you guys gonna see how it looks once we get it finished up. It's hot. My boy G got his tank top on today, man. Show them your muscles, bro. Flex a little bit, man.
Hey, they can tell, man.
You know, I'm a little on the heavy side.
And lightweight.
You got the lightweight, heavyweight. You know, we got my boy over here. He just came here from Russia.
Big motherfucker.
Big boy. Big dude, man. You know how we do it. Here at Corleone Forged. Teaching them how we do stuff. We got my boy CG Forge in the building.
Yeah,
say what's up. Say what's up.
Hey,
What's up, guys?
The best guy tech, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Gonna make sure it's
Make sure you guys subscribe, man. Getting the wheels balanced out right now. You know the high-speed balance.
I balance. I'm not thinking. Are you going back? Yeah. I want to make some video for you. Let's put it here.
Got the last one getting mounted up right now. You guys are putting air in these, getting them aired up to the right PSI. Got the sensors in there and everything. That way that light don't stay on in the dash. But man, what you guys think about these GMCs, man? SUVs. You know, you really can't never go wrong with these. Five-inch lip in the back. Something simple, but yet clean. The last one mounted up. Gonna air them up, balance them out, and we're gonna throw them on. You know, getting these wheels powder coated right now, cleaning them up, getting them ready to put in the oven. All the lines and everything are gonna get cleaned up on them, so it's gonna look real nice and clean. These wheels are actually going on a C8 Corvette. It's a 22 and 21-inch wheel setup. Standard forging flat face, nothing crazy. Sending them out to a shop actually located out here in Dallas. Cleaning them up right now, getting them ready to put in the oven. They actually got white lips going on those too. Getting white lips. Color matched white actually. White lips with I got steering wheels. Faces ready, brushed already. Big caps. Big caps. Those are the lips for those C8 wheels, already powder coated and everything ready to go. So once I get those faces done, we just gotta put them together, balance them out, make sure everything's correct when we mount them up. Get them ready to go for our customer. Oh man, Lily's flowers are dying. I think they need sun. They all the way out here. They look a lot better than that this morning. Man, high polished gold, 24s, big lip. How we do. All these wheels. Getting the wheels balanced out right now. Gia. Konak laki live that year. High-speed balance. G. Second that you.
Hey, you put it all in a 40? Okay. Look. 0, bro.
0 now. That's that fucking African. Yeah, Gio, what's wrong with you?
Oreo, you gonna lower that bitch?
Yeah, I already got the option. Go take a thing, something. You need to drop it. Drop it. Yeah, no, Dad.